This is Module 7, Why We Must All Become Digital Citizens. What is digital citizenship? Digital citizenship refers to the responsible use of technology by anyone who uses computers, the internet, or digital devices. Good digital citizenship engages young students and shows them how to connect with one another, be able to empathize, and create lasting relationships. Bad digital citizenship entails cyberbullying, irresponsible social media uses, and general lack of knowledge of safety when using the internet. 7 key concepts. They must have empathy, know how the internet works, understand user data, practice digital literacy, acknowledge the digital divide, practice digital wellness, and securing digital devices. The Federal Communication Commission is responsible for the Protecting Children in the 21st Century Act. Under the E-rate program, schools, libraries are eligible for discounted telecommunication, internet access, and internet connection services. The schools have to have an internet safety policy, which educates minors about appropriate online behavior, including interacting with other individuals on social networking websites and in chat rooms, and cyberbullying awareness and response. The internet safety policy was adopted and enforced pursuant to the 47 U.S.C. 254 paragraph H, and it must include a technology protection measure that protects against internet access by both adults and minors to visual depictions that are obscene, child pornography, or could cause harm to minors. The reasons to teach digital citizenship. First one is information and literacy. Teaching literacy empowers students with the skills and understanding necessary to not only use the internet, but also to use it in effective ways. Also, cyberbullying prevention. We establish guidelines and incorporate lessons for responsible online communication and etiquette, and also repeating and reinforcing them often. Online safety. Students are taught to understand and prioritize online safety. They feel more confident to take charge of their digital lives. Also, digital responsibility. Teachers should incorporate curriculum designed to create awareness on how to navigate potential threats of hacking, piracy, viruses, as well as educating students on plagiarizing. And lastly, health and emotional wellness in a digital world. Teaching students citizenship effectively must also prioritize the health and wellness of students. Some suggested digital citizen curriculum that should incorporate the Child Internet Protection Act. Districts are required to have technology measures in place that protect students from harmful materials, including those that are obscene and pornographic. Also, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. This applies to commercial companies and limits their ability to collect personal information from children under 13. And also, Family Education Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA, that protects the privacy of student education records and gives parents rights to review their students' records. Digital citizenship requires some daily instruction. And the acronym is READY. R means to remind students to be mindful of what information and opinions they make public. E is to encourage students to step away from their cell phones or computers and hang out with their friends. A is accountability. Encourage digital accountability by creating a student digital use guide for online use that teaches students how to properly and safely use the internet. D is demonstrate and model good digital citizenship to promote a culture of positive online use. And Y is be a culture of yes when it comes to launching digital tools. 5 key questions when posting online. Everybody should think about what impression are you giving? Do I really want this information out there because it never goes away? Am I oversharing? Would I want someone to share this fact or idea about me? And does it pass the newspaper test? The Digital Citizenship Initiative has 6 main themes for teaching and learning, which are media balance and well-being, privacy and security, digital footprint and identity, relationship and communication, cyberbullying, digital drama and hate speech, and also news and media literacy. What is E-Rate? The Schools and Library Program for the Universal Service Fund, which is called E-Rate, is a federal program through which schools and libraries can apply for funds to purchase hardware, internet access, and telecommunications to connect students to learning opportunities. It was put in place to ensure that educational institutions have access to technology resources necessary to keep students and teachers connected. And through E-Rate, the school or library can receive support to purchase communication services and other technology products. From compliance to moral imperative with digital citizenship, school districts that receive E-Rate funding must meet 2 important stipulations. One is they have to have filtered internet. They must filter the internet content, protect students from harmful material online, and also they're CIPA compliant. They must learn about internet safety during the school year. The technology used needs to be accompanied with digital citizenship where students can become creators, not just consumers of digital content. And the requirement for E-Rate is simple to teach students about internet safety as they consume what other people put on the internet. Digital citizenship is more important than ever. R is respect for yourself and others. We need etiquette. They need to understand how the technology affects others. Access. Not everyone has the same opportunities with technology. And the law. The ease of using online tools has allowed some people to steal, harass, and cause problems for others online. E is for educating yourself and others. Literacy. Learning happens everywhere. Communication, knowing when and where to use technology is important. And the commerce. Technology allows us to buy and sell across the globe. And P. P is for protecting yourself and others. Rights and responsibilities. Build trust so that if something happens online, students are willing to share their problems or concerns with what is going on. Security. It's everyone's responsibility to guard their tools and data by having software and applications that protect them from online intruders. And also health and wellness. You have to have a balance between the online world and the real world. The standard correlation. This assignment correlated with the stated objectives for this module. I was able to learn more about digital citizenship, and I feel comfortable talking about it with others. It was relevant for my learning as a future school leader. This assignment helped me get a better understanding of what is digital citizenship. And on reflection, this assignment will assist me when I become a school leader. It is important for the educational leaders as well as teachers to understand the importance of technology. As we move forward with technology in the classroom, educators must be fully aware of all the different issues that are related to technology and what can have impact on our students. And here are the references for the project. Thank you.